So in this report actually what I'm doing, if you execute this report, so for example this is the customer number, okay. So based on the customer you will get the sales document number. So if I will double click on this customer, for an example C001, okay, it doesn't have data. 49, okay, 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 okay. So based on that customer we have this sales document number, okay, sales data based on that particular customer. Data should exist inside the database, then you will get the record. See, if I will click on the customer 262, okay, then based on the double click you will get the sales document number. See, here you can see 262. Yeah, sold to party, okay. So based on 265 customer there is no record. 272, yes, based on 272 you will get this sale document number. See, 272, sold to party 272, right? So see how I did this actually. See, data is coming. I took the input from the user first. Here I provide the search help. Through that search help you can select the customer, you can select the range, 270, 260 to 262, 260 to 270, 10 records. Execute it. 1 2 3 10 records came, right? So I want to double click on, okay, 270, record is not there, okay. So who is the sold to party? 260. I click on 260. So how we achieve this? So what I did actually, here I defined, so here first I declared this data variables, okay. So first I define this data variable type KNAVAR KUNNR, which is the customer number, okay, which is the key field inside the database table. In the header, master table is transparent table, which is the K1M, which is the customer master, okay. Next I provide one select option to get the data, to get the input from the user, okay. Then I defined here reference variable of the standard class, this, to display the data in IDA format, ALV report in ALV format, okay. Ranges collector, I use this standard class, which is the SCLV range tab collector. This is the class we use to collecting range from the multiple tables, because based on the customer I am getting the sales document number, right? So we have to use this class. Full screen, to data to display on full screen, you can go to the property, you can see full screen. Application programming interface, APIs here we are using full screen application programming interface, display options. I use this class table display option. Here we have different methods. Okay, double click. Here we have even double click. So I used one method actually to provide the double click functionality. So I use this class. Another class I use here, which is the factory condition, which is the interface, and condition, then KNA1. This is another interface I used based on the condition. Okay, so this is the work area defined here, KNA1, and this is the local class I defined here. If you go to the SC24, you can define the global class, which can be accessed in entire R3 or S4 system. But in case local class you want to define, local class means this class accessibility we have only inside this report. Out of this report you cannot use this class, so that's why I put LCL. LCL indicates local class. So here we handle the event, sorry. So this is the definition. Definition is nothing but inside the implementation we put the logic. Definition just we define the class. In the public section I define one method, handle double click. This is my method, this is my method, handle double click. Okay, then for event double click, I want double click functionality. I gave the reference of this class option, same interface. Then in importing, so where you double click actually, see, if I execute, where you double click based on the actually column, based on the particular record you double click, right? See, if I want to double click on this, okay, so based on the particular record column we double click, right? So I pass this here based on the field, on field and row. Okay, means because you could double click on particular field record, right? This is a customer is nothing but a field, right? This is a particular record, this is entire row, right? So you want to click here, means how it will fetch the data. This will treat like this at runtime, like entire column, okay, or particular field. Particular field means this is a particular field means customer. Customer is based on the customer, right? So that's a particular field, entire column, single record. Sorry, entire row, single record. So I pass this based on row, based on particular. Double click should happen actually. Should be double click should work. Okay. Then in the local same, this is the method, same method. I put the case Puna. Then see how I did actually. Here I put in the try block, I use catch. If it gets single record, then again create same method I called, which is the static method. After bounding, condition factory, then equals for condition based on then it happens.